I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my...
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to do full matte makeup look for this hot and humid weather, and this makeup is also smudge proof and transfer proof. So watch full video.
Give into me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
Start with clean moisturized face. So first I'm applying rose water for skin hydration, and also it will minimize the pores. Next I'm applying gel moisturizer because gel moisturizer keeps skin matte but hydrated. During summer, gel moisturizer is really good for skin. Next step is primer. So apply a mattifying primer to control oil and blur out the open pores. Now I'll show you my skin how it looks after applying mattifying primer. It looks so matte, there is no shine guys, but hydrated. Best foundation for summer is matte foundation. So use matte foundation during summer that matches skin tone. It doesn't matter what is your skin type. Just follow your skin prep according to your skin type properly, and it will really go good with your skin. For application, you can use a beauty blender or a foundation brush and apply evenly all over your face, and remember, apply a very thin layer of it. Don't cake up. As you guys know, this makeup look is full matte look, so I'm using matte concealer to cover dark circles and any blemishes, any other spots that need extra coverage. After concealer, now I'm taking translucent powder to set my foundation and concealer. Focus on area that tend to get oily, like the T-zone, to prevent shine throughout the day. Don't forget your neck, set it well. As you guys know, this look is matte look, so I'm using everything matte. So next step after setting the base is contour. So I'm using a matte bronzer to contour the cheekbones, jawline and forehead. Powder products need very well blending. So when you apply a powder product, be very precise and blend it well to get natural looking shadow effect. Next, choose a matte blush in a soft natural shade and apply it to the apples of the cheeks for a subtle flush of color. I'm not gonna apply any highlighter because I don't want to add any shine. I want to keep it all matte. Let's move forward. For eyebrows, use matte pro pencil or matte powder. I'm not giving any shape to my eyebrows. I'm just filling it with the powder to get polished look. For eye base, I'm using matte concealer again, and I'm applying very thin layer of it because I don't want any creases on my eyes, and setting it with translucent powder. This is full matte look, therefore eye makeup should be matte. Use matte eyeshadow in earthy tones for a soft and sophisticated eye look. Give a soft smoky look to your eyes by applying a single shadow all over the lid and blend it nicely to get a soft smoky effect. Using same shade for lower lash line as well. Applying dark brown and black shadow for smudged eyeliner. You can use a matte waterproof eyeliner as well for soft eyeliner look. For highlighting the brow bone area and inner corner of the eyes, I'm using matte shadow because shimmery shadow doesn't look good in these hot days. So I'm keeping it all matte. Use matte shadow and it will really look good. Try it. Finishing the eye makeup with waterproof mascara to add more length and volume to the lashes. For waterline, using nude shade of eye pencil. Avoid black kohl pencil during this summer season. Finish with a matte setting spray to lock in this matte makeup look and keep it fresh all day. Finish off your matte makeup look with a matte lipstick in a shade that complements your overall look. I use nude lip pencil and lipstick shade to complement this look, and also this hot sunny days it will give a very neutral effect. I will mention all the product details in description box, so you guys can go and check the description box to know what products I have used in this video. By following these steps, guys, you can also create this beautiful matte makeup look that enhances your features and lasts throughout the day. This makeup is totally smudge proof. Just follow the basic rules of makeup and you will get this kind of result. Let me show you my makeup in natural daylight. Look at my face, there is no ring light and no filter, guys. It's look really nice. Really nice. This makeup look is perfect for sunny and hot summer days. I hope you like this makeup tutorial, and for more videos like this, you have to subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.